How to cancel Kindle Unlimited subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is either you can simply visit amazon.kindle.com, or you can simply get into the application version too, right? So after getting on the application version or the web version, make sure that you are logged into your account. So after making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the more option that you'll actually be able to see right here on the navigation bar. After tapping on more option here, you'll be able to see the option of manage Kindle Unlimited membership. If you scroll all the way down, you'll actually be able to find that option. Simply tap on that one, and then you will actually be able to see the option of manage membership. Tap on manage membership, and under that one on the left here, you'll actually be able to see the option of cancel Kindle Unlimited membership. What you're going to do is simply tap on that option, and then you can simply click or tap on the cancel membership in order to confirm. You can follow the on-screen prompt and simply confirm it, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your Kindle Unlimited subscription online.